Do you know that feeling in your stomach when you think about the person you love? That sensation that makes your heart beat faster and your mind wander? I have a message from your angels exactly about that. Today, the person you love understands the power of words and knows how to use them wisely. At this very moment, the communication between you is crucial. You can feel it, right? That urge to speak the truth, to be genuine. Any slip-up, any lie, is easily noticed. It's as if your hearts are connected through honesty. This connection between you is truly powerful, but it needs attention and care. When we realize that there is a lack of open conversation, it's almost certain that the intention behind it is not clear. When someone can't be honest, the tendency is to stay silent, to hide behind the quietness. This only shows how important it is to have authentic communication in any relationship. Think about it, your partner is there, trying to find the right words, but there is something deeper influencing it all. It's as if they are being touched by a telepathic communication coming from you. This somewhat magical experience is making them rethink their way of expressing themselves and the approach they choose. It's not just about words spoken, but about what remains unsaid, those moments of silence that speak louder than any speech. Have you noticed how the way this person expresses themselves reveals a lot about them? It's not just about what they say, but about how they act, how they look, how they react. All of this builds a rich and detailed image of what lies within them. Now, you might be wondering what this person really feels, especially when they stay silent. It's easy to get confused, to think that silence means a lack of interest or feelings, but the truth is much deeper. This silence actually is a form of self-control, a way of organizing thoughts and feelings before expressing them. She wants to be honest, but needs the right moment, the right space to open her heart. This can bring a certain anxiety, I know. It seems like everything is strategically planned, without the spontaneity of other times. But this intensity of feelings is so great that the person prefers to filter, organize, ponder. It's as if she's holding back a dam of emotions, waiting for the right moment to let it all flow. And that's where the challenge lies. You both seem to be waiting for the other to take the first step, to create this space for a deeper communication. It's a delicate dance of patience and anticipation, where each move must be carefully calculated not to break the harmony. Distance can intensify this sense of anticipation. When you're not together, the mind tends to imagine, to create scenarios, to interpret every little thing. Your intuition is completely in tune with that of this person, almost as if it were something magical. You can understand each other without needing to say a word, as if there were an invisible line connecting your hearts and minds. It's a communication that goes beyond words, a mutual understanding that transcends the physical plane. This person seems to emit an energy of "I'm not intimidated by you," and that shows how she sees you from the outside, entering this unique connection. From the beginning, you emanated a unique and special vibe that didn't go unnoticed. It seemed like this person could pick up on your preferences, likes and dislikes without you having to say anything. At first, maybe he felt a little intimidated by your aura. You have an impenetrable energy around you, something that confused her and at the same time attracted her. Your presence is pleasant and welcoming, but you make it clear how far people can go. And this barrier, instead of pushing away, ends up exerting an irresistible fascination on her. This impenetrability is magnetic. The clearer you become about what you really want, the more irresistible you become to this person. At first, this may have intimidated their love in some way or even hurt his ego a bit, since he entered this connection deeply attracted to you, feeling a mixture of admiration and apprehension. You are a person who makes very accurate assessments about the other, with an almost intuitive ability to read the intentions and feelings of others. And what intimidated this person was precisely that, your ability to understand without needing you to announce what you are seeking. You prefer to let things unfold naturally, instead of taking the lead. You like to observe what the other person prefers to do, where they feel comfortable and secure. You like to see where their head is at, what their true desires and motivations are. Even though you are not communicating directly now, he feels that there is something you are trying to convey. There is a silent but powerful message that you send to him through your actions, your gaze, your choices. There is something different in the air when you think about this special person. Perhaps without realizing it, you have adjusted your own tastes and behaviors to gain their attention, time, and energy. It wasn't an announced or disclosed change, but something that is visibly imprinted on your aura, emanating naturally and powerfully. The message you convey is clear: you know what you want and are not willing to bend to those who are not in tune with this new energy. The fascinating thing is that this person does not feel intimidated by this transformation. On the contrary, she feels even more attracted. There are moments of introspection when you wonder what exactly your partner expects from you on all levels. You are connected to someone who values and wants to see your most authentic and unfiltered version. This person wants you to open up completely, to express your feelings without fear or hesitation. They express this desire because they feel you have the ability to intuitively tune in to their thoughts and emotions. There are moments when they long for you to be completely uninhibited with them, to surrender without reservations. Their response to this openness may surprise you. This behavior reaches a deeper spiritual side of the connection between you, a dimension that has not yet been fully explored. You have never fully expressed what your soul desires, and this person wants you to know that they feel spiritually connected to you in a unique and special way. From the beginning, they always knew what they were getting into, but now they feel that both of you are taking care of a very sacred part of this connection. They are seeking to understand what actually makes you fear and hesitate in relation to them. It seems that what you feel is not only confined to you but is also reverberating in your partner. They have the sense that when everything comes to light, it will trigger a profound transformation in your connection and in the way you relate. This is a crucial moment for your relationship, where communication is being healed at a very deep level. This is paving the way for greater transparency and a purer truth between you. And in a way, this is already happening spiritually. The bond between you is truly special and extremely powerful. Your partner feels that you have made them emotionally vulnerable, which makes their feelings for you grow stronger every day. They find themselves analyzing the relationship with a more critical eye, and there is a profound reason for this. They are starting to feel that they can be completely honest about the perspective they have on everything that happens between you. Things that would have gone unnoticed before now have a profound meaning for him. This feeling is completely impulsive, as if he couldn't control the desire to act or feel this way towards you. He is allowing himself to delve into a deeper analysis of his life, and in doing so, he begins to identify parts of you or your journey that intimately connect with himself. These feelings are being intensified by the separation you are currently experiencing. Suddenly, this person, who was once just a casual curiosity, has become a deep emotional investment in you, even if you are not fully aware of it yet. Now he has started to see you not only as a separate individual, but as an extension of himself. This has meant a significant shift from a more relaxed approach to an intense focus on every detail of your life: how you look, how you are perceived by others, how you interact with people around you, and how you manage your time. As he looks deeper into your life, he begins to feel an internal critique towards this connection, but it is crucial to understand that it is not a negative critique. It seems like he is searching for something more, trying to align his actions with the feelings he has for you. There is a critical energy behind this analysis that is actually a reflection of how you have left her emotionally open. This state of vulnerability can be very uncomfortable for her, and the critique may be a way to justify the intense feelings she is experiencing towards you at this moment. This separation may have been abrupt, an unexpected rupture that left a sense of incompleteness, as if something had been left unsaid, a farewell without a true conclusion. Emotions are intense, still raw, with no time to heal. At this moment, this person is undergoing a deep analysis of their own life, and you are the central point of this reflection. The connection with you awakens a side of them that perhaps they didn't fully know. They feel an almost urgent need to explain why they are critical about this bond. This is due to the fact that they are beginning to see you as a mirror, reflecting aspects of themselves that have always been present but are now becoming more prominent in your absence. They want to understand everything about you, and any form of contact, even if visual or virtual, is essential to maintain this union, even from a distance. This person feels that you are an integral part of their life, as if you were one. They perceive your emotions, feeling your happiness and enthusiasm, but also sharing the moments when you are not feeling well. They wish the best for you, as they understand that your well-being is directly linked to theirs. When you are well, it energizes them and makes them feel more complete. At this moment, they are deeply invested in your well-being in all aspects: mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual. The connection between you is so strong that not even the distance can weaken the communication. This connection is vibrant, continuous, and rarely silenced, a link that transcends space and time. This person, upon realizing the depth of this connection, feels that their happiness is intertwined with yours. It is as if you are two parts of the same whole, each influencing the other significantly. They want to be present, even if not physically, accompanying every step you take, every emotion you experience. This relationship goes beyond a simple bond. It is a union of souls that complement and strengthen each other. Distance can be a challenge, but it is not an insurmountable obstacle to what you share. She feels that, in some way, she has always been connected to you, and that perception is intensifying even more now. The connection you both have is a source of energy and inspiration for her. Knowing that you are well motivates her to seek her own well-being, creating a positive cycle of growth and mutual support. She sees in you not only a dear person, but also an extension of herself, someone who mirrors her own emotions and experiences. This deep understanding is what makes this bond so special and indispensable. Even in moments of silence, there is a silent communication, an exchange of feelings and thoughts that transcends words. Your special person is at a crucial point now. There is something in your connection that is so deep that it seems like he can perceive exactly where you are in his heart and mind. He is starting to take this relationship much more seriously, and that is extremely positive. You are raising your energy noticeably, becoming more radiant and perhaps going through a process of inner healing. You are being more transparent about who you are and what you want from life. This telepathic connection between you is incredibly intense. There are moments when your energies are so synchronized that you can feel when they are deeply aligned. He wants you to know that this bond brings life to him, transforming the appearance and feeling of existence when you are at your best. He feels that he needs this connection for a specific reason at this stage of life. You both hold very high standards for each other, and that is why everything you do is taken so seriously by him. He really can't help it. You might feel the same way about him as well. This applies to both the good and not so good moments. Therefore, it is necessary to take care of each other. This does not mean that the connection is fragile. In fact, it is the opposite. You have something that few have, a rare and intense connection. The communication between you is so smooth that it almost seems telepathic, as if one could read the other's mind. There is a powerful psychic energy in this bond, creating a constant pressure to maintain honesty at the highest level. If one of you is not completely transparent, the energy destabilizes. Perhaps this is the deepest reason why you are not together now. Your relationship is designed to require absolute sincerity. Everything you say to each other carries significant weight, almost as if they were decrees shaping the relationship. Deep down, you are very similar. It's almost as if you share the same mind, processing information in the same way. She may have never said this directly, but she feels that you communicate with her even when you are silent. This deeply touches matters of the heart, especially now. This insight plays a crucial role in the current phase of your connection and will continue to influence the future. You are starting to take this connection in a more personal way, which is very positive. By doing so, you are raising your energy, radiating more light, perhaps healing internally, and being more transparent about who you are and what you want. She is picking up this telepathic energy, altering the connection in a very real way. Transparency and honesty are essential to maintaining the stability of this relationship. Both of you are learning that sincerity not only strengthens the bond, but also creates a safe space where both can truly be yourselves. The journey you are embarking on together is about more than just love. It's about growth, healing, and a profound understanding of each other. Every word, every gesture, every shared thought has a profound impact on how you interact and evolve as a couple. At this moment, it is crucial that both of you continue to be open and sincere, allowing the energy to flow freely between you. The connection you share is special and unique, and deserves to be nurtured with care and attention. As you continue to communicate so deeply and telepathically, remember that this is an opportunity to build something truly extraordinary. Stay strong in truth and love, and let transparency guide the way to a future full of light, understanding, and unity. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision may be. Type, "I receive and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let us uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.